Hello guys, today we show you how to replace the EGR valve in Audi A3 1.6 engine. It's not easy job. In this one we need to be take off the subframe. After that we need to be remove the DPF as well. To reach the EGR valve, we need to be remove the subframe, plus we need to be remove the DPF, and then we can open the EGR valve behind the DPF. Is a really complicated job. So I give advice to the all people, never try at home, because this one without without ramp, I mean, you can't remove properly, you know. On the floor is a really, so all time if you have like this issue, especially in Audi A3, please bring to the garage and do proper job. Never try at home, otherwise is a big issue, you know. Without ramp and without proper tools you can't manage, you know. You're gonna be in trouble. So please make sure all the time, if you have a job like that, big job, all the time bring car to the proper garage to do that job. Thank you very much for watching.